So yeah, if you want to ensure that your cabinets are delivered all together, everything in one piece, looking great, European Kitchen and Bath is the way to go for sure.
In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about what happens after your cabinets have been designed.
Let me explain to you what we do after our design is complete. We basically create a project folder such as this. Inside this project folder, we have documentation on everything that we have from the last part of the design, from contract payments to documentation of all the signed drawings. We have the checklist here, which we reviewed together at the close of the job. So that's all kept in one space in the project folder. Next, we have here our order confirmations that we get from our manufacturer. And on this side here, we plan the installation packet, which includes the cabinet list of all the cabinets that we've ordered so that the installer has an accurate record of those items. We also then have drawings that show the custom pieces that are made by the factory for our particular project. We also then have an installation packet that shows the floor plan with all detailed dimensions and nomenclature, as well as project elevations, so that each wall can be identified and then marked accordingly by the installer so that the project is installed the way that we had planned it to be in the first place.
Very nice.
So also with the drawings, we have the appliance and plumbing specifications for the manufacturers. So all the equipment that you've selected is all documented so that we can then include the faucet, the sink, the dishwasher, the refrigerator. All those informational documents from the manufacturers are included. And that completes our installation packet.
Wow, that sounds detailed. Can you tell me a little bit more about how the order gets placed?
Yes, we take the information that we worked with together and send it to the manufacturer, and they take a look at it, enter it into their system, and then send it back to us to make sure that they have documented exactly what we have wanted to order, and then we sign off on those documents that that is correct and accurate. We're then given a date for which time that we expect those cabinets to ship to us, and we notify you as well as the installer as well as the project manager for when we're anticipating those items to come into our warehouse.
We receive everything here at the Norcross location. Everything's unloaded off the truck. I then stage the cabinets here in a line. I keep them all organized per job. Each line is a different job. I go through all the cabinets. I check for any kind of damage on the box on the outside, just to check, make sure everything's intact and there's no damage to any of the units. Each cabinet that comes off the truck is scanned, and it will not clear the order until the last cabinet's scanned off the truck to assure that everything is there.
And then we set up a delivery schedule and installation that's convenient for all parties involved.
When the cabinets are ready to go out, we stage them by the front door. I do a recheck of all the cabinets, make sure they're all there as well, and then we have couriers that pick up the cabinets and deliver them to the house. Our driver, he specializes in plumbing parts, tubs, sinks, faucets, that end of the company. We like to use couriers that are experienced in handling cabinets and have more than one person handling the job. When you order, these cabinets are expensive. If you're a builder or homeowner, it's nice to see two people handling the cabinets when they come off the truck as opposed to one guy struggling with one because he could drop it, increases the chances for damage. So we like to make sure that we have experienced people delivering the cabinets, and I love to have two people on a cabinet when they're unloading.
These are the steps that we take to make sure that your project goes smoothly.
So, builders and designers, if you're looking for assistance on your project, come to us, European Kitchen and Bath Works.